Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Fix It Easily. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can remove the unwanted ads from your browser, whether you are using Chrome or Microsoft Edge or UC browser, whichever you are using. What you have to do is just go to the description and click the link. I've given links for all the browser. Here I have Chrome installed, so you will see this. I've already installed this. Let me tell you that how you can install it. I'm removing this and now it is uninstalled. So just click this add to Chrome and click add extension. It will be added to your browser. If it is Chrome, it will be added like this. It will be installed, and then when it will be installed, it will block all the ads on YouTube and all other websites. Yes, if it is making problem for you in some website, just pause it. How you can pause it, I tell you, you can close this tab, because if you don't want to pay, it is full free. Just pin it here, just right click on it, and you can pause on all sites or pause on this side, so this will not make a problem for you. So this is the best ad blocker, and I'm using this for many years, and it has never let me down. So that's why I just told you. So I hope that you'll like the video. So like, subscribe and share the video. Till next time, assalamu alaikum.